Good morning students. In this video we are going to see the second part of the first chapter. In this we will see, in first video what we have seen the place value and face value of the digit and what is the large digit number. Now we are going to see Indian system of numeration. This I have already explained. Again let us see what is Indian system of numeration. There are two type of numeration, Indian and international system of numeration. So first we will see Indian system of numerations. Let us see what is there in this. See what number is represented by the number dice. You can see always we start counting our numbers from ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. We write like this. Let us see 7. Here 7 stands for ones, 5 stands for tens and we write as 50. 2 stands for 100 and in number we write as 200. 4 stands for 1000, so 4000. 3 stands for 10,000, so we write as 30,000. 4 stands for 4 lakh, or in number we will write like this. So 1 stands for 10 lakh, or in number we will write 10 lakh. See together what it will be: 14,34,257. So we have to plus this all the number: 10 lakh, 4 lakh, 30,000, 4,000, 200, 50 and 7. So all together it will be 14,34,257. Same way the place value I have already shown one. Again we will see 7 is in the ones place and its place value is 7 itself. 5 is in the tens place, its place value is 50, as we have seen here. Same way it will come till 10 lakh. Understood? Now we will see how we can express in crores. So let us see place value chart. We know that 10 lakh equal to 1 crore. So let us see how we have to express in crores, and let us see the place value chart. Again we'll start from ones, thousands, lakhs and then crore. See here you can see the numbers, periods and places. These are the periods, they are called periods, and these are the places of the value. See, ones place 4, tens place 6, hundreds place 5, thousands 3, 10,000 7, lakhs 5, 10 lakh 1 and crore 2. Now how we are going to write the periods, how we are going to separate? We are going to separate them by using comma, and after placing comma we will get this as 2 crore 15 lakh 73,564. So we have to write the numbers like this. Let us see here some sums. One I have done for you. Other you write. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Just see, write in numerals. We have to write this in numerals, as first one I have done for you, like 45 lakh 62,402. So here we have to write in numericals 45 lakh 62,402. Same way you have to do this also, and here insert commas to separate periods and express them in words. So how we have to do? 1 2 3, here comma, 1 2 comma, then it will be 30 lakh 85,625. Same way you have to do other three. See, what is the place value of 5 in each of the following numbers? What is the place value of 5? Means we have to tell the place value of 5. So it is on which place? 2 crore 54 lakh. So it is on 50 lakhs place. So we will write here 50. Understood? Same way you have to do the other three. See, now we will see, we have already seen Indian system of numeration. Now we will see international system of numeration. What is the difference? That also we will see. Let us see first. International system of numeration has 3 places for each period. The place value chart of international system is as follows. We were having 4 places in our Indian. Here it is 3. ones, thousands and millions. Again it will be divided as ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, millions and 10 millions. And also this is separated by a comma. Let us see one number and then it will be clear to you. See the next page. The number is represented by the number dice. You can see here that 6 stands for ones, 4 stands for 40, 1 for 100, 5 for 5,000, 2 for 10,000 and 300 stands for 3 lakh. See here, in the international system, 3, 2, 5 and 4 is written as how? Only after 3, 3 they put the comma. After 3 number 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. So let us see here. It is how much on ones place? We will read as this. See, 3 lakh 20,000, 5,000 plus 100 plus 40 plus 6. So it will be 3 lakh 25,146. Same way you can see here the place value of the numbers. So this is known as international system of numeration. This part we are going to see how numbers are expressed in million. In previous video we have seen international and Indian numeration of system. Now we will see here how it is expressed in millions. See, ones, thousands and millions. So again, as I have showed you in international, it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and millions. So we will write this as 4,205,136. So it will be written as I told you, it will be after 3, 3 number 3, 3 and so on. So it will be 4 million and 220,000. See here, it will be 4 millions plus 200,000 plus 5,000 plus 100 plus 30 and plus 6. So we will write as like this. Again, if we have to divide this in this place value, see this like this. It is 2 is in the hundreds, thousands place. Its place value is 200,000. 4 is in the millions place. Its place value is 4 million. See here, you can see in same way we have to write in numeration. Let us see the difference between international and Indian system. See here, you can see. Let us look at the comparison of place value chart between Indian and international system. It is both start with ones. This is international. Sorry, this is Indian and it is international. Let us see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crore. This is Indian system and international is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 millions. So these are the different place. This much is same and these three are the different place. You can see here 1 lakh equal to 100,000, 10 lakh 1 million, 1 crore equal to 10 million. Same way exercise is given here. Write in numericals. You have to write in numericals. See, first one I have done for you. Here also insert comma and write the following numbers in the international system. So it will be 507,507. So here only one comma will come. After 3 number you have to put 1 comma. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Like this you have to put comma and write. Okay. Now let us see. See here, these are the exercises which we have already done. Ascending order, descending order, putting the greater sign. Okay. See here, round off to the nearest tens, 100 and 1000. See, one I have already done. Let us see how we have to. This always for tens we have to see only 1 digit number. For 100, 2 digit number, and for 1000, 3 digit number. So let us see here for tens we will see here 4 is there. If it is less than 4 then we will write 40. So less than 5, sorry, then we will write 40. So it is less than 5, so we will write here 40. last 2 digit number. Now here 44, it is less than 50, so again it will be 200. So here we have written 200. See here 3 digit number. Now it is how much? 244, which is less than 500. So we will write here 9000. Okay, understood? This we already know, we have done in earlier classes. Now let us see the Roman numericals. What is Roman numericals? See here, let us see the Hindu Arabic numericals and their corresponding Roman numericals. See, Hindu Arabic numericals is 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. So in Roman, how we will write? 1 we will write as this, 5 we will write as V, 10 we will write as X, 50 L, 100 C, 500 D and 1000 M. Now we have seen this Roman numbers. Now how to use this? How we are going to use this in our sums? Let us see the next page. See here how you will write 62 as Roman number. 62. How we will write 62 as Roman numbers? See here 60. First we will divide 60. So 60 will be 50. First we will do 50. Then 10 plus 2. Okay. First we will do 50. Plus 10 plus 2. So 50 is what? L. So we will write L. 10 is X. 2 is like this. So L plus X plus 2 will be how much? L, X and 2. So we will write 62 as L, X and 2. Same way, how will you write 836 as Roman numericals? So how we will write? First 500 plus 300 plus 30 plus 6. So 500 is D, you can see in the chart. 300, for 100 it is C, so 300 will be 3C. For 10 it is X, so 30 it will be 3X. For 5 it is V, and for 1 it is 1. So it will be D plus 3C plus 3X plus 5 plus 1. So our answer will be this. Understood? Now we will see of one numbers. See here sixth one. Write DXCV as a Hindu Arabic numericals. D stands for 500. X stands for how much? X and C. X stands for 10 and C for 100. So it will be 100. So 100 minus 10, why we did minus 10? Because here C is there, which is less than, so it will be 100 minus 10 plus V, so plus 5. So 100 minus 10, 500 plus 100 minus 10, 90 plus 5. So it will be 595. Understood?